There we are. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the TraderDane live stream. We've got Mike in the studio. Probably got Griffin coming along. I haven't heard any cancellations from him, so he'll be coming soon, I guess. How's it going this morning?
It's going well. How about yourself?
Yes, I'm doing well, thank you. Had a massive losing streak last week, but I've been bouncing back on several accounts the past couple of days, so that's been good. It's the usual chop. My P&L curve is just pure chop.
Listen, it happens from time to time.
Yeah.
Trading is very streaky. You gotta. That's one of the things that makes props like kind of good, because like you can really profit on those green streaks.
Exactly.
And the red streaks limit your downside. So
yeah.
I
just think I need to be better at capitalizing on the green streak. So realizing faster when I'm running hot, and then basically you could say size up, for example, go for those full consistency score profit targets.
Mm-hmm.
That's something I'm working on. What's up? Morning.
You hit full consistency yesterday, or did I just come in late?
We've been here since yesterday. We're just yapping.
Oh, nice. Just 24-hour stream.
Yes.
Griffin, your mic is really low right now.
Really low?
Yeah.
That's strange.
It's okay here.
All right, can you hear me fine? Still low?
I can hear you fine.
I hear you, but like I feel like you're experiencing the same issue I was experiencing the other week, where like you're just lower.
Do I sound fine to you, Jesper?
Well, it's true, a little bit lower, but it's not as low as you were, Mike.
Oh, well, that's right.
Okay, that's weird. Does it still sound like a good mic, or does it sound like it might be going through my webcam?
No, sound is clean.
Sound is clean, but you could check. There's a microphone button with an arrow.
Turn the gain up.
Yeah.
I gotta check on the back.
So you think we're due for a little bit of a pullback today, or are we just going to keep ripping
now, right? Look at that. You could just like...
Oh, it's an infinite frame.
Okay, does this sound better?
You see this button that I'm showing you right here?
Sounds fine, Griffin.
Which you can see which microphone.
Ah.
Yeah, it's on the right microphone. Did that sound any better or no?
Same.
What a crap microphone, Griffin.
This one?
Return it.
You're fine. You're probably gonna mess it up if you tweak it too much.
Look at this thing. Spent $140 on this thing.
Ooh, nice. I love the ones with the color.
Yeah, it's pretty.
What's the brand?
HyperX. It's the HyperX Quadcast.
I got a Blue Yeti that I got for $50 6 years ago.
Yeah, I know the Blue Yetis. I thought about getting one of those too, but this one's just better.
I've got the Shure MV7 right here.
Yeah, those are the best ones, really, but they're just more expensive. I thought about getting one of those too. I just didn't want to spend for it.
Right. I'm suffering from being a musician for 20 years, and I can't go anywhere else but Shure.
That makes sense. Yeah, that's definitely a good mic. It's like the most.
But it wasn't that expensive. I mean, it was $200, something like that.
Oh, you got it for $200? I thought they were more like $450.
No.
Ah. At that point, I should have just got that one.
Yep. But the shiny colors are cool.
Yeah, the colors are more important, really.
Exactly.
A little higher time frame analysis here. Oh, that's
and what's it telling you?
That's weird.
I made a single, Mike. I made you like a billboard today for Instagram with just you on it.
Oh, you did?
In a water world theme where you're on a boat and it's all crazy weather and super action packed.
Yeah, I see it, and he's super muscular and jacked.
Exactly.
That's amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, we gotta switch it up sometimes. It can't be all three of us all the time.
All right, let me give some good analysis then. My indicators just like kind of disappeared on me, so I have to reset that up. So weekly, because that's all I really care about right now. Look at that. We're way above the weekly.
Yeah.
We're way above the yearly.
No shit.
On RTY. On NQ, we broke through that level. We're way above the weekly. That level I was talking about all week, we bounced off VWAP. We broke through this upper band with gusto, and now, there's some resistances here that we might see, like some minor resistances at like 30,000, 30,600, and then obviously all-time high 31,000. But like the major structural level was this right here. This, 29,350, which was also the upper band. Yeah, I wouldn't be shocked if we were jacked to retest the upper band and then shoot up, but like the in the near short term, I should say, like talking 1 to 2 weeks, I'm thinking that we get to all-time highs in NQ.
Yeah.
We're already there on ES. Look at that. That's nuts.
It is crazy.
YM, we've been there.
Bullish.
Like, there's no reason to look for shorts. I mean, if an obvious one presents, like, take it. But like, I'm looking at longs today.
I'm looking at longs as well. I like coming into the market with a bias again. It's been a long time. It was just every day was like, well, I guess we'll see.
Exactly.
But it's funny because it was only a week ago they were like, oh, the VWAP bounces shorts are working again.
Yep.
Yeah. No, seriously. That's crazy.
It takes a while, right, to realize that. And then suddenly,
all of a sudden, yeah, we were having some shorts come into play for like a week and a half. Short-term little correction. And now it's like, oh, we're back.
Griffin, I was showing but before the stream, but look what I did. They stole from me, I stole from them.
You changed the candle. Yep. Yeah, did you see it yesterday? Austin takes a double break on YM with his signal.
Yeah, they're I'm telling you, they're watching the stream, they're stealing our signals.
Maybe.
Dude, they made the signal exactly when you made the signal.
No, they made the signal exactly 2 to 3 weeks after I made the signal. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Clip it, but send it to Austin.
It is a crazy coincidence, I will say.
Should get royalties.
Like, right when you started doing signals, I see on Instagram like a couple weeks after they started making a signal.
Yeah. I mean, I even what I did was you could turn off certain signals. So like I turned off the first break for now until I refine it.
Oh, nice.
I got bounces and double breaks.
Sweet.
I even got this higher time frame filter that if you want to enable it, saying like, okay, if we're above monthly and weekly, I don't want to see any shorts. If we're below monthly and weekly, I don't want to see any longs. So I got a lot of cool things in the work here.
Yeah, I saw they do automated stop loss and take profit too.
Yeah, I mean, that's very specific to ASFX. And like, while I can do that, I don't want to do that. I imagine it's really just opening range high and opening range low. Yeah,
it was opening range high and like previous low session or something like that.
But like, that's unnecessary lines on my chart. My point of view. Okay, so RTY is bringing to the downside. NQ is chopping. YM is doing a little VWAP bounce off the 3rd minute. I would love to see what's it called? Double break on the RTY.
Oh yeah.
The benefit of being able of having multi indice up there. Hey Griffin, do you mind taking a screen for a second? I just gotta change the password on something and I'm scared it's gonna show up on stream.
I wouldn't mind seeing your password actually. Yeah, I'll take it. Look at that, the cleanest charts.
The worst. I mean, listen, I kudos to you for keeping a clean chart, but that's not for me.
Fair enough. No hate. I'm not hating. I'm just,
Like
See
when
this?
we were in the Black Shirt Club. Hold on 1 second.
When we were in the Black Shirt Club.
Can't
Drum
wait to hear
roll.
the rest of that. When in Rome. That was a good story.
What is that?
When we were in the Black Shirt Club.
Yeah. Way to leave us hanging.
Sorry, my wife's internet was not working, so I had to
Oh,
give her
okay.
troubleshooting steps. We're in the Black Shirt Club, like when people would go in the hot seat and like they would show their charts and there was like 1,000 lines in the charts. Like I knew that this person could not be profitable because there's just too many lines to look at.
Yeah.
Yeah. I agree. Too many things to get in the way.
No, but like you start thinking that every level is important, and then like, okay, I got long at VWAP, but I had a level 3 points above, so I got out because I was scared it was going to reject. Like things like that could happen.
Yeah. Or I didn't take the trade because this line was right above it.
Yeah, or there was a line right below it, and I wanted to see if it would tap that line below first before I got in, and then you missed the trade. Like, there's too many lines makes too many bad decisions or too many indecisions.
Yep. Indecision, that's for sure. That's the big one. You're just like, there's so much going on. You're just like, what's going on? Can't figure it out.
Now, I will say a more experienced trader can probably have more lines. Like the more experienced you are, the more lines you could handle.
I'd agree with that.
But don't you still think that it's heuristics, right? You have a couple of key points you want to focus on, and then sure, if other stuff align, then fine. But yeah, I don't know.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do. Like I'm trying to focus on like, okay, for the entry, my only qualification, what's the word I'm looking for? My last and final most important qualifier is the New York VWAP, right?
Yeah.
But as far as like if I want to be long or short, it depends on all these other lines. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
And
but
like,
for your sorry.
Go for it.
For your setup there, I mean, a lot of the stuff, a lot of the information is context, right? You're looking at the higher time frame VWAPs, the bands, and so on, to then help you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then there are a couple things that I use to refine the entry a little bit. Like, you know, I look at the footprint to maybe get an earlier entry than, like, for instance, your candle close. I look at like low volume nodes to say like, hey, this low volume node is like just above the VWAP. Maybe if we pause and reverse from there, that's good enough for me, type of thing. So, but at the end of the day, it's still, you know, like the trades are based off the New York VWAP.
Oh yeah. Are we gonna get a double break to the upside today? Not on YM.
So on RTY.
Not on
maybe
YM.
even on NQ. Look at that.
Yeah, NQ and ES are kind of giving a
yeah, let's wait. This is super choppy.
I mean, yeah, it's still only 9 minutes in. Plenty of time in the day.
YM is ripping. Yeah.
Okay. I want to be on.
I was hoping to be a YM trader today. What's going on?
You said so yesterday. I'm just going to switch permanently.
I want to be a trader of the one that has the best setup.
Yeah. I was just doing I'm recording a video for YouTube where just this idea of, you know, at least once you're familiar with your system, then you can start transferring it across different assets, because theory should be the same, right? I know people say each index has its own sort of personality, but does it really? And then so I mean, can you actually trade with a bit of discretion the same system across? I think you can.
So.
Yeah,
I think you can. 100%. Because at the end of the day, and this goes back to something called auction market theory, right? And this goes for stocks, indices, crypto, everything is an auction.
Mhm.
And auctions have behaviors. When something is undervalued, you're going to have more buyers and less sellers at that point. When something is overvalued, you're going to have less buyers and more sellers. When something is at equilibrium, you'll have equal buyers and sellers. And that goes for every single auction, whether you're buying, olive oil at a farmer's market, or you're buying, futures, or selling futures. The idea is that, like, how do you determine what fair value is? And like for us, that is VWAP. VWAP is pretty standard across all futures. So, and it works best on futures because it's a centralized exchange. You can't have like order flow outside of the CME. So,
Right. Except sim order flow.
Good old.
Sim order flow.
Microeconomics.
Sim order flow is. I'm telling you, that's the key. Paying for sim order. Ken Griffin, he's paying for sim order flow.
You could actually, I mean, with the amount of people trading prop, you could use it as an indicator if you had that information, right?
100% you could. I mean, it's still human behavior. You're paying for human behavior, and human behavior is the same whether it's on sim or whether it's on real. So if there's like a million stops at like 30,000 on sim, chances are there's a ton of stops at 30,000 on real life.
Exactly. Yep.
Maybe nobody joined the stream today because you put that picture of Mike. They think it's just Mike.
Yeah, probably. I'll do the stats. I'll take those as sort of information, and I have this AI to help me. So what works and what doesn't work.
That's a great picture. I'm gonna use that as my profile picture.
You definitely should. Yeah, but where is everybody though? We have one viewer and zero.
One viewer. Say good morning on the chat. They don't want to today because it's ASFX.
Yeah, it's ASFX stealing my ideas. Now, to be fair, I built this based off their indicator as a proof of concept, but like the signals was me.
Mm-hmm.
Austin, if you're watching,
no one's saying goodbye. Good morning.
Just text me, dude, Austin. I can make whatever you want, and I can do it for cheaper than.
Yeah, exactly.
Orange Grove's here. Yes, sir. Only viewer. But he's a loyal one. We're big fans.
Good morning, John.
We are big Orange Grove fans.
Orange Grove loved the Instagram picture.
Good.
Yeah, he loved it so much he had to join instantly.
We have Day Trade John in Discord.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't.
Major milestone.
I haven't seen his feelings in a while.
Yeah, he doesn't.
No, I think he's less active now. I don't know what's going on.
He does his thing. It's okay. We'll let him.
Yeah.
Probably started his own stream making a ton of money.
He could.
I just realized he was too good for us.
No one's too good for us. We're just showing the real journey here.
1 minute till opening range is set. Can make an argument that the bounce on YM is good, but just like it wasn't enough of an impulse move.
We're waiting.
But like we did respect it at 933, like pretty solidly. I think the ideal setup right now for me is the double break. Would be a double break on RTY.
MRTY. Wait, what's the micro?
It's M2K.
Oh, what?
2K.
Why? Because reasons.
Not Y2K.
No. Hey, Ryan.
Blast
Happy belated.
Trading YM again today. Trading it all. We're gonna see. I'm looking for RTY double break as well.
Me and Orange Grove are on the same page.
Did you see? Speaking of different assets, did you see Nvidia this morning? It's ripping.
No, I did not.
I should have held on to that call option. But that's
how'd you not know?
It broke VWAP at 9:45. Is that a signal?
RTY or
Yeah, RTY. I don't think so. I don't think that's a valid signal. I think it's like got to be after.
Yeah, I don't think so.
And like technically, we didn't touch opening range. So
Yeah, I think
I don't want to rush to.
if you're really confident, you could.
It's not a
Just
double
smack
break
that
if it hasn't
entry.
broken, if the orb hasn't played.
Yeah, it's not. It's not. There's no double in there, right?
Right.
It makes sense.
Want us to be above overnight too.
Well,
Yeah.
now you're asking for a lot, Orange Grove.
Overnight being in the way is the only downside to this one.
Take what you can get.
True. Whoa.
Goodness.
ES is sinking.
I think everything is sinking ever since that one pop at 9:45. Oh, I don't got the juice going.
Yeah, I'm not sure I want to. I
there
want to
was news
long
at
this.
9:45.
This NQ is approaching New York, but I don't feel comfortable longing it. It's more like a double break, actually.
There was PMI at 9:45. That's what happened.
Okay.
It was a yellow folder.
I thought
And
that
at
was
10
at...
o'clock we have ISM orange
Okay,
folder.
that's what I was gonna say. I thought that was at 10.
Oh, why does my Forex Factory not show Trump speaking? Oh, there he is at 4:30. They moved it.
4:30.
Yeah, 4:30. Yeah.
Oh, okay. It said 11:30.
It's 10:30. Yeah. It's 10:30
Yeah.
your time.
I was like,
We're gonna have a double break on ES here if we break.
we're gonna have a double break on YM too.
And on
Wow.
NQ.
Yeah, but YM to the downside. Actually, that's not a bad trade.
NQ is
down
also to the
overnight.
downside if we come down, so I would trade it down to overnight.
Yeah,
I
that's not a
like
bad
don't
trade.
want it.
Why not? Get in front of the buyers.
Yeah, like I don't want to be double break to the downside.
Right. It
The
doesn't.
trend being go up.
Yeah.
Especially the last 2 days, watching it just drift. If you get induced in a double break and then it just drifts all day.
I'm just conscious of the fact that the last, like this week, unbelievable unbelievable rally, right? Even since Thursday last week, it's just been up. This is probably where buying NQ 30
I'm
points
long on
off the New
RTY.
York. Okay. Good one.
Thinking about getting along here on ES.
Yeah, ES is good.
Telling you, all those people on the ASFX stream just got short YM off that double brink.
Because the signal?
Yeah, because of that signal. And, they don't have that higher time frame filter like I do.
Maybe I won't get an entry here.
Yeah, it's not super convincing. We also,
It
There
wasn't
is no
technically
break
a
of
double
opening
break on
range yet, too.
It wasn't
Sorry,
technically a break on RTY, though. I'll be honest. It wasn't a double break, I should say. But it made a higher low, and then
Orange Grove is also in on RTY.
yeah. If you want to put my screen up, I'll show my trade.
Oh, yeah. Sweet.
ES breaking.
The YM double break is working, actually.
Yeah. Just looking
like
at it
it.
like, that's not a bad trade, but
It's not what I wanted.
no, me neither.
I'm much happier with my RTY trade.
Did you
Damn,
take an entry?
What just happened on ES?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Juice is talking.
Okay, let's sit back for a while.
Now we just tested overnight on ES, so that's nice.
I moved my stop on RTY because I don't like that jolt. Because it came off of news. I don't know what news it was.
ES sank much more aggressively than the rest of them.
Services
That double
PMI,
break
but
on
that was
YM. Woo!
Yeah, like I moved my stop to right here.
Okay.
I don't know what that was. Like Juice was talking. I don't see what they were talking about yet. 'Cause I don't know why they take so long to like post it on here.
Yeah, Max 7 looking a little bit mixed. Question is, how much upside are we looking at here?
You got room to grow.
There we go. Come on. This overnight. It's a killer.
Yeah, it is holding, isn't it?
On ES, yeah.
On
No,
RTY.
no.
Screw
Well,
ES.
ES and RTY.
Yeah. On RTY.
Should have listened to Orange Grove.
So the only trade I'm seeing right now, entry, would be a double break here on NQ.
No,
But
there's
do you really want to short it?
No.
I'm actually gonna long it, I think so.
I'm gonna.
I mean,
Oh,
yeah,
are
you
you?
could argue that's a VWAP bounce play
Yeah.
if it is a bullish candle. Let's go RTY.
I'm looking more for the double break on ES coming back up.
Yeah.
But all my VWAPs
Which-
just disappeared.
Which is also a bullish. I mean, it's yeah.
I just want to
I got
long.
you. Yeah.
My VWAPs keep disappearing whenever I switch charts.
Come on, ES. Give us some lift.
Right.
There was a double break signal on NQ.
Yeah, but I'm not shorting this.
I don't want to short that either.
Yeah. No, me neither.
I'm about to go long on YM. Oh, too late. No, I'm not going to buy it. I missed it. I had my finger on the trigger when it was like right here. I was like, go down a little bit more, you know? And then I just missed it. I was going to take it on my second account, so I didn't like double buy.
Still waiting for this long entry on ES.
I'm long on NQ.
I like that long on
Nice.
NQ.
I actually might like the long on NQ better. It's just where do you target?
Open high.
30,100. I think I had that.
You could go
sort of-
high a day.
It could be high up there as well.
70 points. I'm very upset I missed that trade on YM. I had the signal. I had everything. Look at that.
Now it breaks down. Fuck.
Hopefully it holds strong.
We do have everything pretty much in alignment. Let's see if we hold. I didn't get the best entry like Phil, so I'm at 30,022. So I'm I am 22 points off of New York. So it's not bad on
There we
NQ
go. I'm
really.
long on ES right there.
I am trailing really hard on RTY.
Yes, that is a good entry, Griffin. I think that is a really, if you have a decent stop on it, it's a good entry.
My stop's at the low a day.
Yeah.
Which is 15 points. I might be pretty sized here, actually. I might be sized huge. Hold on. 15 times. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm sized up here. I'm risking 750.
Oof.
Do it.
I'm risking 450.
But, I'm okay with the sizing because then opening range high is pretty much my consistency target. So I got some balls on there today.
Good.
I'm out RTY. Nice. 200. Dude,
I made
great
about
trade.
Sweet.
$510 on RTY.
Let's go. Boys are crushing it on the other indices.
I'm a little butthurt that I didn't take the trade on YM. I'll be honest, my balls were not big enough.
Yeah, the double breakdown on YM there.
No, I wanted the bounce.
Oh yeah,
On
I see
YM.
that. Yeah, that looks good.
That is a good bounce.
I wanted
Gotcha.
the bounce. I didn't trust the double break. I wanted the bounce. I'm like tempted to go along with y'all on NQ right now.
It's a
But
good entry
it's-
right now, but
It's just not looking clean. That's my problem with it.
Get
Yeah.
in. I'm on ES.
yeah, and ES, I think ES just needs to break New York, and then we'll the way that overnight held.
Yep. I like it. Overnight held 2 candles, like to a tick,
Yeah.
basically.
Clean bounce.
And then got a 4 candle lift straight up and a break. So
ES is the only red traffic light on the head-up display right now.
oh really?
There's one red.
Just
That's the
because
New
it's
York.
on the wrong side of New York VWAP?
Yep.
So everything else is lifting above. So
Yeah, and that's ES. Now ES is also, so the mini contract. It's right there right now, right? It's flicking back and forth.
yep. Like it's on the VWAP right now.
Mm-hmm.
But I got a pretty good price. So
Yep.
Okay, I'm long NQ with you.
Nice.
30,006.
That's a good price.
long ES Orange Grove. Orange Grove, the scalper, just ripping it today. Second trade. Yeah, you're gonna crush it because I can already tell. I'm in this one, so I know it's gonna win. So targeting opening range high. Just a classic trade, classic double break.
I want to go higher than opening range high on NQ just because I just see it aligning and also
been. Just kind of how bullish we've been.
Yeah, exactly. And recapturing, so we bounced clean now off New York. I don't see it. I don't see the resistance there at opening range high really. But of course I'm gonna see if it reacts.
Right, I understand. Yeah, I'm with you. You're out already. Holy shit. Nice. I guess, yeah, you pretty much got some instant pop. So 270 total for today. I'm done.
I'm trailing on NQ.
Good trading. Trailing on NQ, nice. How's the pop on NQ? Oh, nice.
Yeah, we're
ES
just
is the
testing
same.
opening range high now.
About to take its opening range high. Hopefully, obviously.
Everything's green, right?
Yep. All looks good.
And we got that pullback to the overnight. That's a healthy sort of sign, I think.
I'm out on NQ. $300.
You're out?
Yep.
Nice.
That was a quick move.
Yeah, I took it in and out. So now I'm 1,500 profit on one account and a little over 1,000 on another. And I think that's okay for me for the day.
I agree.
So,
Did we have news at... Yeah, there we go. Fuck, news.
Oh, yeah, I was
Shit.
looking at my chart too, and I'm looking at the tick value that
Yeah,
how much I was up on the trade, and it immediately dropped from like 30 ticks to 5.
I
before
missed
the
that.
candle printed, and I was like,
Fuck.
in my head, I was like, what? All right, well now I'm at break even price.
Yeah, I'm slightly in drawdown.
I think this stream wins the most out of like most streams. Hell
Ugh.
yeah, dude.
I think we should
Almost.
have taken that off.
Yeah, I didn't think of news. That was a beginner trader
I
mistake.
didn't trail because of news. I trailed because we were at opening range high. I was like,
Yeah.
if it goes, great. If it doesn't, this was like should have been my target anyway.
Yeah.
I will say that was totally a mistake of mine for sure. Like
Me too.
being that much in profit with news coming, I should have just pulled it. Being
Same.
like, I'm not gonna risk the news, but I did not even think of news, so that
Me
was
neither.
just stupid. And we'll learn from it.
Question is, was it actually news or just a 15-minute candle print? I'm not even sure, but
There was news.
probably news. Yeah.
ISM services PMI, is that what it was?
It was an orange folder. It wasn't like a red folder, but like
it did
enough to like
something, but-
jolt the market for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's annoying.
I hate when I like still every so often do like a beginner trader mistake.
Yeah.
I'm like, damn it, I know not to do that, but I still do it.
In the sort of in all of the information you need to incorporate, you just miss something sometimes, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
You just miss one little thing and then it costs you a trade.
Funny thing is, if it had popped to the upside, TPs would have been taken out
It would have been smashed. Yeah.
in seconds.
Mine was really close, but
Never really in
still,
our favor.
I still think this trade is still going to be a good trade, but
Yeah, I agree.
Griffin, you want to take the screen because you got to trade on?
sure.
John, Orange Grove, who else are you watching? Who are we doing better than?
Probably everybody. I am in drawdown though, so
Yeah, me too. Pretty massively.
speaking too soon. Yeah, me as well. Hopefully I can hold over.
Fucking hell, what a move.
Yeah, look at that.
That
You know
sucks.
what though?
And then hit that reversal.
The double break signal still would have got stopped out because it hit opening range high
On what? On YM?
on NQ. Oh no, I guess it didn't on MNQ. So I guess the ASFX traders would have still been in. I'm trying to make a case for my signal being better than theirs. You watch ICTers?
Because this is how YM looked yesterday. We got the push up, the break below, and then the straight back up. I don't know
Yeah,
if you
true.
guys remember.
True.
Ooh,
So
there's
still holding on to hope, but
there's technically a potential for a double break to the downside for RTY.
uh-oh.
Well, same thing
Double
for
break
Oh
X.
wow,
short,
Orange Grove, me and you, same
technically
page.
Double break short, active on what? On NQ?
Yep.
Well, at NQ it already it worked.
Oh, really? Wow.
It like there was a double break at 9:52 that like on NQ
Wow.
would have stopped you out, on MNQ would not have stopped you out.
Yeah, NQ.
Okay.
Yes, but it's getting close.
Yeah,
You can hold on. Okay, there we go.
there we go. Boner,
You're
come
back.
on.
Because I was looking at, I'm like, oh, you're way closer to stop loss than I am. Like, oh, shit.
Me or?
Yeah. If your stop loss was at opening range low.
Nah, I'm giving it a little bit of space just because it's NQ, so my stop is at 896.
Let me see this.
That's the immediate pre-market low.
96. Nice. Yep, I see that.
So let's see if
Yeah,
we
US
shook
has
we
a
shook
little
things out here, and
hopefully that's a higher low.
yeah,
Yeah, I should have taken it right here with news. That would have been very smart.
me too. Yeah.
Just to be in that much profit and go, oh, news is coming. Time to be out of this thing.
When did we actually I took the trade 6 minutes to news. That is kind of a rookie mistake. But we learned from that.
At what point in your trading career do you realize, oh, I haven't made a rookie mistake in 3 months, 4 months?
Probably never.
That's my thought.
But that's
358
also
left until payout. Tomorrow could be the day, boys. Yes, sir.
Ooh, let's not jinx it.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
Nothing
don't
is
put that in
nothing
your
to
head.
see here.
I do that too many times when I'm one trade from payout. I go, I'm gonna get it tomorrow, and then I start thinking about, oh, if I get it by this week, and I think too much, and it screws
Yep.
me over. So try not to focus on it, but I know you're gonna, go to sleep tonight thinking, oh, tomorrow morning I'll get this payout.
You're back in profit now, Griffin.
I'm
Oh,
long
yeah, big time.
RTY again, but on it
It's a good long. Great job.
Yeah. And now that news isn't not coming again, I have more confidence to actually hold this thing.
Yeah, but Trump is speaking at 10:30, so be careful.
Shut up. How's NQ back in profit or no?
No,
just
I'm big.
about. Well,
It's at VWAP. It's at VWAP, right? But it's not. I had that bad fill, so
can it
so I'm
break
still
it?
in drawdown, but not much.
Why don't we break VWAP on NQ?
Yeah,
That
we
would
need
be
to
nice
break
for
it
my
here.
ES
Yeah,
trade.
and volume is coming back in, so I think buyers are managing to. If you look at the 15-minute on NQ, like the previous 15-minute, that was super bullish. Then news came, but now we're kind of forming a similar,
Oh yeah.
a long wick to the downside.
Yeah.
So I
See
think
some
the
pop
wide stop may have been what saved me, but let's see why, right?
Yeah, I think the wide stop is a good idea on one of these trades.
Yeah.
You got to give it room to breathe.
I mean, NQ, you just generally need a wide stop.
Yeah, you do. Yeah. I'm only
Yeah.
trading 2 micros the past couple of weeks actually, because it's just there's so much range, so much volatility that it generates big losses with my wide stops.
I mean, there's a case to be made. I think I saw the Austin's podcast with Real Deal Zach or whatever his name is.
Mm-hmm.
He I think trades with the smaller stop because he scalps NQ. But like if you're doing VWAP bounces or whatever breaks, you need a big stop on NQ.
Yeah, I think so too. Is NQ breaking finally? ES is getting a little pop. Here we go. Once NQ is ready to go, all systems a go.
Yeah. But it is struggling a little bit here.
RTY as well. How's RTY looking?
I'm back in the longs on RTY. I'm about to take profit again.
Really?
Yeah, but this isn't eval. I'm doing being conservative a little bit. If I take a win, I'm getting off the account.
Cool.
Especially if it's like, I mean, the second win wasn't huge, but like I got a $550 win on the one account.
Right.
I got 300 on the second. I don't want to give it back. So.
Yes, NQ.
I just added in 1 contract.
Nice. I like that. I don't need to because I'm already so heavily sized. Otherwise,
1 contract is 50% on top, so it's also pretty.
Yeah. So now, what are you risking? Like $600 or something?
Yeah, something like that, which is my max, my daily loss limit, basically.
I don't have a daily loss limit, but I am risking plenty. So I'm not going to take another trade if I lose this one. That'll be my daily loss limit. 750.
It's interesting that that ES is the weakest link today. Like,
yeah,
it doesn't happen very often, if at all.
Yeah, I know, and it's struggling to get any sort of push right here. If you guys can see this, all these wicks, whenever it pushes up, it's just kind of struggling at VWAP. Where NQ, I think, is similar, but it's actually getting some push off of it. Oh well, hopefully I didn't speak too soon. This looks better.
I've got 3 contracts on now, but I'll scale 2 off at the opening range high.
Smart, great play.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I do like the way buyers are taking back control, even though these 1-minute candles are pretty wicky.
It did it again. You see my ES screen?
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row that tried to push up and left a big wick.
But it's the same thing to the downside. It's really holding New York, right?
It's holding it, yeah, but it's not able to get any sort of push off of it.
Right.
For some reason. Not sure how to read into that.
way you read it is that there's a battle going on, and
Yeah.
at some point someone's
100%.
going to win, and
Ugh.
The buyers are gonna win. Oh my NQ! What are you doing?
Yeah. What is going on?
Dude, NQ is holding me down. NQ is being a little bitch today.
It is. But I don't think sellers are gonna win this
Yeah.
one. I just don't
No,
think so.
me neither.
Even though I guess ES, the all-time high on ES is what, 15 minutes ago?
Yeah.
But that's
Yeah,
a
I
good
guess-
that's a good bullish signal though.
Is this the all-time highs right here? Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
So I'm trading for new all-time highs. Yeah.
You're just trading into the void basically.
Yeah. Yeah, that's funny. Damn you. Right when we're starting to get some push, and you leave that wick there. This one's taking a while.
It is. It's not
Don't
super
worry.
clean.
We're gonna hit max profit. Don't even worry about it. I got you.
How many points on ES are you going for?
Like 10, 11.
10. Okay. And your size is what? 10?
10
Okay.
micros. $500, 550.
Do you know the feeling when it's like your entry price is resistance?
Yeah. Yep.
It's just rejecting off my entry price.
Mine just won't pop any higher than my entry price. It just won't pop any more than VWAP. It's
Yeah, exactly.
how many minutes in a row is this? I wonder. Since here, 9 minutes in a row. It's just sitting on the VWAP, not doing anything. It's not breaking below at all though, which is a great sign.
Right.
I think that's the best sign. If anything, it's looking like it's starting to go up. It's not
Yeah.
going up, but it's like
Yeah.
holding more to the downside than it is to
I
the
think-
upside.
To be honest, I think there's a lot of battle going on at this 30,000 level on NQ. It's sitting right on it.
Yeah, I guess it is directly on 30,000.
Hmm.
Come on, NQ.
We've got 18 minutes to Trump.
Shut up.
T minus 18.
now he's waiting till after the market closes because whatever he's got to say is not good.
Oh, yep. So, guys, if I have 358 left and have to keep 15 consistency score, I can have my next trade be more than 375. Yeah, 375 is the max. That's what it is. But you can hit 375, so you can take the payout if you hit it in one day. Your next trade can be, never mind, sorry. Yeah, one trade, the max can be 375. So you're trading an Ignite? I have an Ignite here that I don't trade anymore. But I will trade it for my next account, I think.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Come on, NQ.
Is NQ still beat down?
Is that how
It's
it works?
just-
You just curse at it and then it goes
Yeah.
in your direction?
It does, yeah. You've never traded before? This guy clearly doesn't take payouts. Come on.
You're right.
In fact, I think the more I curse at it, the more I hit stop loss.
No, that's the opposite.
It is the opposite, of course.
So you just gotta like treat it nice. Is that what you're saying? And it'll work.
Maybe.
Beautiful trade.
Yeah, it's just playing out exactly like I wanted to.
I wanted it to
Amazing.
look like this the whole time.
Come on, RTY.
Thank you, ES. U.S. removes Iran-related sanctions. That sounds bullish.
Is it?
Yes, bro.
Sure.
Everything's bullish.
15-minute candle incoming. But look at
I'm
those.
still-
look-
The most upset thing I'm at today was like I didn't pull the trigger on that YM. Even after I missed the good entry, it just like skyrocketed.
There we go. Buyers. Come on. 15-minute candle.
Is NQ actually doing something for the first
Yep,
time?
it's lifting.
Hey, look at that. Now my ES trade's gonna sink.
Temporarily.
Debbie Downer. Yeah, it's lifting temporarily.
Listen, I'm long with you, and not at a great price.
You're long NQ.
Yeah, on an eval, but yes, I'm long NQ.
Well, it's time to dominate, so don't even worry about it.
I need motherfucking 40 points on NQ to the upside just to get those 2 contracts sold. 40 fucking points.
I'm tightening my target just to the high. I'm not going to be greedy on this one.
Yeah.
Always with that PDVAH.
Prior day value area high.
Yeah, I know what it is. I'm just
Do
saying.
you? Do you?
Yes.
Do you really know what it is?
Yeah, I don't trade it though. But if we're right on it, then maybe I should look at it because it's clearly doing something.
Yeah. It's just a low volume node above us. That's what it is.
So once we break through it, it's all systems a go.
Exactly.
You fucker. Look at this stupid ass NQ trade.
Yep.
It's just trying to wipe out as many stops as possible before it goes where it wants to go.
I think it is. I think it's just trying to scare people out.
Okay, I'm out half of my RTY trade.
Nice. In profit?
Yeah. Although it's going to be like break even because I'm going to take the loss on NQ and.
You're not going to take a loss on NQ.
But you're on ES, right?
Beautiful. Yeah, I'm on ES. And ES is look at this. Very ugly at this point in the day. Very sideways. True. We got that clean hold of overnight, that push, and now it's just nothing.
Yeah. We'll see. We'll see if price can break my entry resistance.
Yeah, we're still spending a lot of time above VWAP here. If you look at this, like all these candles in a row are holding VWAP on ES. There's not a single break below, which is a good sign.
Mm-hmm.
But we're also not going higher at all. It's called patience.
It indeed is.
Yeah, I think I got a good feeling about this one. It's just taking its time. Like I'm gonna hold it.
You're pretty close.
I'm gonna hold it all the way. Like I'm not gonna cut this one early, but gotta let it do its thing. But come on, like it's pretty early.
It's everything. I mean, everything is green across the head-up display right now. So
that's always a good sign when
you're long.
Except
for NQ is blinking.
Yeah, it's blinking, but it's.
That means it's right on VWAP?
Yeah.
There's a battle.
I think the way that the overnight is held up, I think this is a bullish day. We're just gonna have to wait it out, unless of course Trump does something to the whole thing.
Well, the last 2 days were so bullish. This day is just it's trying to keep up, but.
Well, yeah. After a series of bullish days, you could easily expect a couple of quote unquote balanced days where price just like chops within a range until it like decides, okay, do I want to continue the bullish move or do I want to like retrace some of the bullish move?
I would call this that day, that balanced day.
It's just when does that happen, right? You could argue it should happen yesterday or tomorrow.
Yeah, but but like yesterday, from the get-go, it was bullish, right?
Yeah.
There was no pullbacks. So like, clearly it wasn't yesterday. But like today, we've been chopping around, this range from opening range high to opening range low.
Yep.
NQ ducks are coming in.
Oh,
damn.
First time my trade's been below VWAP since a while. So that thing I was saying where we were holding VWAP this whole time is officially
the juice
gone.
Is speaking.
Oh fuck.
Oh, NQ, come on, hold us up. Any word on the juice?
The juice is. It sounds like it's talking about oil. So like,
I don't like oil. If oil ruins my trade, I couldn't care for it. Lower high in the 15-minute.
Hmm?
That's what Orange Riff said. What's the lower high look like on the 15-minute? I'm not really seeing a lower high. New high, higher low. See maybe a higher low set in here.
All I'm seeing is higher lows.
Yeah. Me as well. I mean, that's the same. I mean, you could call this a lower high in the 1 minute for sure. Sorry, higher low. Yeah, okay. I was getting a little confused. Yeah, I mean, if we do, form a low right here and go higher, it's just another higher low. It'll look fine, but if we start breaking down, not gonna be pretty. Now, if we make a new, go up from here and make a higher low, then I could argue moving my stop to here is the right play.
Yeah,
That would be
agree.
pretty a structure.
But I think
Take
it
the
hasn't
stop off the
tested the
table.
session low, so maybe it'll just dip into that before it actually goes. But
Yeah, like if we hold here and come back above VWAP, I'll tighten my stop.
yeah,
not
I'm in a
the
worse-
RTY trade and the NQ trade, but
I'm in a worse situation on NQ. I'm pretty deep in drawdown. I might actually hit daily loss limit at some point with that add-in.
I will be if this goes to stop loss, that'll be a pretty big loser for me. So
Yeah, I'm out. Daily loss limit.
uh,
Shit happens.
it does.
It would be nice
Yeah,
sometimes if shit happens to the upside, though.
I know. Yeah, your
It
ad
really
was good.
does.
Like you had the right trade, you had the right idea. Your ad was good.
Yeah.
No complaints. You know what I mean? Like,
Yep.
just sucks. But
what
it
was the
happens.
original trade idea? The break or VWAP bounce?
It was the bounce. So I entered at 954.
Yeah, trade was valid. It's just the only thing that hindsight maybe is that maybe take profit at the opening range high or near the opening range high.
True. I could have done that.
Looking like I'm gonna get ripped on this one too.
It's just like Mike. It's a really small R multiple, but that's I guess I think you've also been successful with taking profits pretty quickly, right?
Yeah.
In these markets. Yeah.
But let me map it out. So like, let's say you got in literally at the top of that bullish candle of 954, right?
I got in at the bottom, so at the open of that candle.
Oh, at the open of that candle, so even better.
Yeah.
So you got in like 15, right?
Mm-hmm.
That means a 44-point profit target at opening range high. If you were to just put it at the low of that candle, its R multiple is.
Oh yeah, if you
26.
run with a tight stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's just
If you have a tight profit target, you need a tight stop.
You do.
It's true. Lacey down 1.2 R today. Yeah, it's been a tough session.
Sometimes you gotta play the trade that's available to you rather than the trade that you want. So like, yeah, you could want 100, which is I think what you said your regular target was, but like, what information was given to you that would say that it would get to 100?
Yeah.
So the
My
trade
ES
that was
trade is
available
holding.
was the opening range high trade.
Yep. That's still where my target is opening range high. ES,
And you're
ES
still-
held overnight.
You're
really
still
well
in.
there.
That's good.
Yeah, it had a nice hold here.
Ooh, I really wanted YM to get back to VWAP. I would have taken that trade, but it did not. Oh, and I missed the
damn,
re-entry on
YM.
RTY.
And what's NQ doing now? Yeah. Literally tagged everybody's stop.
Yep.
NQ did. and it's just holding down more bearish than I mean, ES is kind of NQ's holding down more bearish. YM's holding up really bullish, and ES is being the middleman right now, just
Fuck
like usual.
yes.
Fuck yes.
Well, fuck ES, but I'm still in the trade, so
Yeah, I actually,
Ticks across the board.
I'm also long on ES now.
I thought you were daily loss limit.
different account.
Yeah, but that's a different account.
Oh.
He's got four accounts.
Yep.
Come on,
Damn
don't
it.
reject here.
I
That looks,
was trying to get short, and it just went without me.
are we gonna reject again? Come on, just
Fuck.
dude. I'm feeling fuck too. Oh, this trade is giving me hell.
It really is.
What were you gonna get short on, Mike?
A view up bounce. NQ.
Oh, on ES.
On NQ.
Oh,
In
on
between the
NQ.
VWAPs.
Yeah.
Hopefully that doesn't work for you, because I want to see this keep going higher.
And here's why. We just pierced through the overnight pretty handily on that last move, right? Now we're going to retest the New York, and maybe we get new lows again.
Yeah, it's a valid look at the market, I think. I just hope it doesn't work.
On that
Hope
last
this ES
touch
can
of
hold up
overnight, we didn't respect it, even though we respected it. What time is this? Not 10 o'clock. So I am short 9.55 on NQ.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
Well, we'll just hope that you lose.
I
We
hope
could
that
both
one
win.
of us
They
wins.
Are,
I
they
hope
are
that-
different indexes. They could go different ways. We could both win.
I hope that at least one of us wins.
Yeah, if we both get
Pretty
stopped
sure we
out.
Like,
do.
I hope it doesn't literally go to my stop loss and then go down. You know what I mean?
It might flip flop. ES might start sinking and NQ starts going higher, and then we all get stopped out. That would suck.
We've got news coming in now.
Oh yeah, Trump's about to speak in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna hold on to this one. It's one of those set it and forget it kind of trades. The target's opening range high. The stop's at the low. And just we'll see what happens. At this point, it's just not good looking anymore.
Nope.
Like choppy, ugly session here on ES.
Oh, yeah. It's breaking down.
A little bit. Hopefully we can hold
That
the overnight
sucks.
here again. Hopefully we don't break
Just
the
short.
overnight.
Short break in my losing streak. A couple of days and then back.
Short break in your losing streak.
Yeah, exactly. I
This
lost
trade's
all
giving me a
week.
headache.
Last week. Huh?
Oh, Ryan, you're in this one too. Did you get long when I got long right here? And then you've just been sitting in this thing? I'm assuming. I'm assuming we're sitting in the same thing. And it's just like beat down at this point. I don't think we're gonna win this one. I don't have confidence.
Yeah.
Oh, we got the Madonna coming now.
Well, that's great. Just great.
Could be beneficial to you if the NQ does the Madonna before ES gets to the Madonna.
I don't know. Looking like my stop's gonna get tagged before anything.
Yeah, I'm out.
Well, shit.
That sucks.
Come on.
One of those blow up days.
They happen. You lost on 2 accounts.
Yeah.
It's okay. I mean.
Yeah, so the 2 accounts that were 1,500 in profit, they're now 1,000 in profit, sorry.
So that you lost $500 on them.
Yep.
That's what a pretty day on ES here.
That's a super ugly day. Can't be much
So
uglier than
bad.
that.
It's so bad.
Yeah. Look at the bounce on YM. Coming back to that. That was clean. That was the move I was expecting for NQ.
Just
Just
take my
push it a
stop
little bit
loss
higher.
already.
Huh?
There is
I'm telling
there
it
is
to
a
take my
true
stop
double
loss.
break happening on RTY right now.
It's just trying to edge me. You know what I mean? It's edging my stop loss. Just take it. Take me out. Stop giving me hope. I hate when it does that. All right, here we go.
Are you short on there we go. Are you short on RTY now, Mike?
I put a limit out there because I was too late to see it, and I don't like to chase it too much. But I am short on NQ still, so I can.
That's a good trade.
I can go over why I thought that way.
More than I thought.
So I got short
size.
here.
So today was the day that New York broke things down.
I was sized huge on that one. I'm not gonna lie. I had some big balls on that one, which too much.
Yeah. Is he saying anything?
Wait, Trump's not actually speaking.
No.
Okay.
It's at 4:30.
It's at 4:30. I thought you were
It is
joking.
actually. God
Yeah,
damn it.
I thought we were just doing that joke the whole stream.
No. I thought so. I was my time zone. It is my time zone, isn't it? Trump speaking.
What?
Okay, that's 10:30 p.m. your time. Fuck. Whatever.
Yeah, he's speaking at 4:30 p.m.
4:30 our time.
No, 10:30 your time.
My
says
friend.
4:30.
It's 4:30 p.m.
Okay.
Eastern.
10:30 my time.
Yeah.
Man, I'm confused.
Yeah, I thought we were just doing a joke. You
I we
kept
were
saying
playing the
something
joke. Yeah, I
No, I'm
Trump-
just confused.
You
Fucking
kept
hell.
saying Trump's speaking at 10:30, and I'm like, okay.
Call me out, man. Just say it. You're on the wrong time zone.
I just thought you were doing a joke.
Yeah, I thought you were doing a bit. Yeah,
It's funny because I kind of, I go about my day for hours and hours, and then I say good morning to everybody. So I'm kind of messed up.
Yep.
I almost got filled on the RTY. Did not get
Damn,
filled.
look at that. Nice short there.
Yeah, it's on screen if you want to share it.
Oh,
My
yeah.
stop is at 9:05. Oh, I got it. I'm out.
Ryan got taken out of the ES long as well. Yeah, dude. Tough. I mean, nothing you can do there, really. It's like the trade to take. The one thing I could have done, should have pulled it at the high before news. But, like,
Me too.
hindsight. You know what I mean? But that would have been nice.
I am short RTY now. So, stop is at 54.
Did you take profits on the NQ short, or are you still in it?
Yeah, I took profit here, and then I got stopped out at the same level, basically.
Nice. I gotta blow this account up because I have 500 left to draw down.
Yeah.
So I just gotta risk 500 on my next trade. Hope it goes well.
Exactly.
So where's my target? My target is at opening range low, and then the next target would be the trailer, but most likely the 2-day.
In hindsight, it's so obviously clear that you should have pulled it at the opening range high. Sucks.
I know. Yeah, of course, hindsight.
Yeah.
Well, I think just like I think for sure if I remembered news, I would have. I think there's 100, but I just forgot, which is stupid of me. But like,
yeah,
1 minute before news, I was like, how far is that from target?
Is that the indicator I need to make? Like 9:59 and 30 seconds, like rings a bell. Like, don't be an
That
idiot.
actually maybe would be smart, or I could just use my brain. You know what I mean? But like
No,
at 9:59, I was 1 point from target. So if I was like, you know what I mean, I'd be like, oh, you know what, news is coming in a minute. I'm just gonna get out. I'm not gonna risk it. I'd be like, this is enough profit already. But instead, I was like, oh, this looks good, and I didn't even think about it.
I need to research if I can sync a Pine Script indicator to Forex Factory.
Silly me.
No, but like things happen. You get in the moment. You don't realize it's 9:59.
Yeah.
It's all hindsight. But you're like, how stupid could I have been? I knew that news was today.
It's not like it was a red folder news. It was orange folder.
True. You know what? Maybe I might have not even taken it off and just said, "Oh, it's only orange folder."
Yeah.
Like red folder, I know I would have, but maybe I wouldn't have even cared. So I don't know. Who knows? Even though I lost, I'm so glad I had some balls though to size up.
Agree.
If I won, I would have been like, "Oh, great!" And if I sized down and I won, I would have been like, "Oh, I made $250, great!" So sizing up was definitely the right play.
I agree.
I'm gonna take some profits here on RTY. Enough for me. I'm gonna trail the rest.
Painful day.
I don't want to be this guy, but I really want to. I want to blow this account. I know that sounds stupid, but I've just been in this.
I've been there before.
Yeah, me too.
I've been in this account for too long, and it's just whenever I get down, like last week, I was one trade from blowing it. I won the trade, then won the next two trades, and then it's back, and now it's back one trade from blowing it, and it's been doing this for I've been in this account for 3 or 4 months, and I'm like, dude, I just want a fresh start. Get me out of this damn account. I want a fresh start.
It gets like that at some point. You just can't be bothered.
Yep. So I somewhat hope I lose my next trade, kind of. But I still, if I win it, then I'm like, oh, it's back.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I've been at that point where it's just like I was in an eval, or I forget if it was an eval or trade to fund it, but it doesn't matter. I was in it for at least a month, and there was lack of progress, and I was like, I need to either get a payout soon or start fresh.
Exactly. That's how I feel with this one. That's why yeah. Let's see. Orange Grove said,
you've been in this account for how long?
This account I started trading in May, I think. End of May, so 2.5, 3 months I've been trading this account. And 3 weeks in, I was had a payout. 2 or 3 weeks in was when I was $70 from that payout, that one trade. Since then, it's been up and down, back and forth, and just haven't blown it. I haven't gotten payout. It's just
So what was working in May?
I think at that time, bounces were working well. I think it was trend coming off of April. I think bounces were working well, and then also May.
I think we need a different angel to come.
Yeah.
Uncurse you.
Here's what happened. I started the account fresh, and then I had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-day winning streak. And then I was at a payout, and then since then I've just been up and down on it. Lost a couple days, and the next week I made 1.2K on it. Was probably right at a payout again. And then since then, just pretty much break even trading and just back and forth. Orange Grove said the account that I have I'm 1 month in. 1 month is fine, but you don't want to be much more than 1 month. You know what I mean? For one account, like I think 1 month is about the most you want to be in one account on. Unless you get a payout and then you're trading it to the second payout. It's the most you want to take to get to one payout, I feel like.
The way I see it, it's like the emotional attachment to it is if you're very far in drawdown, you get this feeling of okay, I'm gonna blow this or make it work, and you become more aggressive with it.
Yeah.
If you're halfway to payout or 2/3 of the way or even further, then you're happy to hold on to that account for longer, right? You're just gonna try and see if you can. That's what I've been doing. I've been in between break even and 3K for months.
Yeah, me too. I was halfway to pay out before the trade today. I was at 1,500 and then I lost
Same.
800. So
Same.
now I'm at 50,600 something. And
Yeah.
you know how the target locks at 50,100.
Yep.
So now I have like $550 to losing it when
Yep.
before today I was at halfway to pay out. So, but that's just what big size does. It comes and goes quick. You know what I mean?
It does.
If I win the next 2 trades, I'll be a trade or 2 from payout. So it's like that's just how it goes.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you're risking $800 and you have 2,000 to draw down, you know it goes pretty quick.
It's pretty quick. Yeah.
So yeah.
You gotta trust your win rate and your consistency.
Yeah, but then also when you have those sort of win streaks, like you hit a nice win streak.
Yeah, you can actually
pay out quick, and you know
Yeah.
if you're going for the consistency, and you have a 5-day win streak, boom, there's a payout.
Yep.
And we all have had 5-day win streaks plenty of times.
Yep, it's been a while though.
Yeah, I probably haven't had.
That's
one
really all you need. Like you said, 5-day win streak with enough balls.
Exactly.
With
If you're
enough
sized
balls.
up and all of a sudden you hit a nice stretch, and if you're on an account that doesn't have a consistency score, you know what I mean? You can have a 3-day win streak with some balls, and
Yeah.
oh, boom, there's a big payout.
I have a better consistency score on. I have that Elite Access funded, which is a 40% consistency, so I can go further with that one. But I'm still not sizing properly. I don't have the balls yet.
Gotta grow 'em.
Yeah,
I want
exactly.
to try that funded elite account where you can take weekly payouts as long as you're above the buffer. Yeah, that sounds pretty sick.
Almost got stopped out on that RTY, but I have a feeling I'm going to.
Stopped out in the red or stopped out in profit?
Oh, in profit.
Yeah. Okay.
This is where my stop is, right above this.
Nice.
Good. We're just
Looks like
breaking
you made a
down
good
further
day out
now.
of a tough session.
Yeah.
It's hard to trade.
you've
but
done
you've
good.
been making it a good day.
I didn't get caught up in. I looked. If I'm being honest, like NQ is probably the least clean of all the indices.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I wasn't looking at it yet, so like, to be fair, but like, if you take a look at YM, very clean.
Very clean.
If you look
It
at
is.
RTY, that was a clean. I mean, not technically a double break, but that was a break.
That was a clean break. Yep, for
Yep.
sure. Clean break.
Yeah, clean
And
break.
then what's that next trade? Go to it.
This one?
That's another clean.
This is a real double break.
That's the double break on RTY. Yep. So that's 2 clean trades on RTY, 1 clean. So YM and RTY were the top dogs today, really.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, I don't like if you look at even in the first like half hour of NQ, it's like nothing is really clean. Like I do like Jesper's entry right here.
Yeah.
You know, like,
But I should have
this-
taken profits.
but you just should have taken profit. And even
Yeah.
your ES trade, you know, like here, let me pull up ES.
Yeah.
Let's see what ES was doing.
So
Look
my
at that.
ES entry was
It was a
that
double
wick.
break.
That's my entry
10.25.
on ES there. That
But
candle.
like,
That's where I entered.
I could if I was Austin, I'd be like, what the hell are you doing? Why didn't you take profit here?
No,
Yeah.
you're right. No,
True.
I know. You're correct.
Like, this was literally the definition of being a dick for a tick. That's one point.
Especially, like I said, especially being 1 minute into news.
Yeah.
Should have just that's what I'm saying.
So
was
so like
I
the
should've
trade the trade was great. It was you that sucked today.
Thank
yeah,
you.
honestly, yeah. Yeah. The trade was fine. I mean the ES chart, you can tell it
I'm
doesn't
getting into character here. This is Austin. He was
Yep.
Mrs. Austin.
Yeah, the coach.
Yeah. Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, he's fun. He's a good teacher for sure. Yeah, he would be saying the same thing.
All right, coming into the last 15 minutes of stream.
And like, that's not to say like, listen, I took the trade at NQ too. Like I missed it here. I took it here when I was like, okay, it's still hovering, but I trailed. I did,
Yeah,
as
I
got
made
there.
that mistake of, not being greedy, I would say, but just not thinking about levels and structure and aggressive profit taking.
I made the mistake of being a dick for a tick, really.
It's also hard. I understand why you wanted this level, because the last like 3 weeks we've been seeing ripping 200.1 minute candles and NQ. So like, why not expect for a 100-point move? Like, I get it.
Zara told me at the conference that volume node levels and news should be considered. Yeah, I'd agree with you there. Zarb's a good fella.
Yep.
Zarb's awesome. I love that he was in the Black Shirt Club for years and like literally carved his own path in it.
Yeah.
Like he didn't even trade VWAP, I don't think. Or like, no, wait, what is it? He trades a mixture of VWAP, ICT, whatever. He made his own system. He made it work, and he pulls payouts like no one else.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's super cool. Like, what does he do? He does volume profile with VWAP and ICT, or something like that.
Yeah, that's what he teaches. And
does he use VWAP? I forget.
Well, now I don't remember.
Maybe not actually.
I don't know.
I forget. I feel like he does, but like it's not like, I think he's more mean reversion, and it's like a confluence with fair value gaps.
But he does use volume profile, like the POC and the.
He simplifies it. He doesn't. I don't think he even uses like current day volume profile. I think he uses previous day volume profile, and where are we in relation to that? So like, are we above value area high, value area low, and POC of yesterday? Okay, I want to be bullish. That's his like golden rule, I think he called it.
Yeah, I think he calls it that. Yeah.
And then the only other thing that he uses for volume profile from the course, at least, was that he had this 80% setup where like, if the overnight price has not touched prior day volume point of control, which so here's prior day for YM, which it doesn't look like it did. He has this thing called an 80% setup where like 80% of the time it will come back to retest this level. So like,
so then he just finds an entry to get to it.
Yep. So like, let's see NQ. He likes NQ. So like NQ volume profile, it touched it, multiple times. So the 80% setup wasn't really valid, but like,
so it's only valid every so often. I never paid attention to that, but I remember when I was on the ASFX streams, everyone in chat would be like, 80% setup is active today. Like you'd see a bunch of people saying that in chat.
He trades pullbacks with volume profile with ICT setups. Orange Grove, are you still in AS? Are you still in, like, do you still watch ASFX TV? The larger the time frame you go, like this is the 5-minute chart, the signals look so ugly. Because some of these signals are just like so quick.
Yeah.
But like the 5-minute double break on NQ, that was clean.
Well, yeah. It played out eventually, right? But you didn't actually reach the opening range low to begin with.
But like, look at what horrible expectancy it is the larger time frame you go, right? So this is 49 points to it's like less than a half R. It's 0.52 R.
Yeah.
So what did we learn today?
Don't be a dick.
Good
for a
question.
dick. And look at news.
Yeah,
Those are
don't
my two
trade into
lessons.
news.
Don't. Yeah, well, trade into news. But yeah, you can. If you're in profit, pull it.
Yep.
Especially
Or
a
trail
point.
it. Trail it.
Or trail it, leave it
Uh,
open.
I'd say trail it maybe sometimes, but I've told you my horror story with that. When I was
You
in
can
profit
also
going
get
into news, I was like,
Yeah.
oh, you know what? I'm just gonna trail. And I put break even. And I was like, in case the news goes down, and then it slippage lost me more than my stop loss was.
Well,
Because the news, that's gonna be rare, but
let's look at ES, right? There's a difference between trailing to break even and trailing into profit, right? So this is the 1 minute chart, right? This is 9:59. Okay. I know that news is coming in the next candle. I have 1 point of profit. Am I really going to risk my full risk just to get that 1 point? Or, maybe do I move my stop right here under this wick?
Yeah.
Or do I move my stop under the body? Risk 1 point to make 1 point type of thing. That's how I look at it, at least.
Yep.
Now, did I forget that there was news too? No, I just got lucky because I was like, all right, we're close to opening range. I'm just going to trail hard.
yeah.
Yeah.
Orange Grove. Ever since I've been trading on my own with you guys, I've gotten 2 payouts, dude. Hell yeah.
Clip it. Yes, but clip it.
Time/experience the factor.
Awesome.
They're just too entertaining on stream that it distracts me. It makes sense. Yeah, they do a great job of that too. Like, that's one thing I did love about them though, is like when I was just trading here by myself, nothing going on, I'd be so bored. When I'd have, even when I didn't need to learn how to trade, it was just nice to have their stream just because I was like, it just keep me entertained. You know what I mean?
Same.
Yeah.
But like,
I like that.
It wasn't fully trading focused. That's true.
I like the ASFX. When I was in the stream, at very minimum, the entertainment kept me out of boredom trades.
That's true.
Which I am very susceptible to, and if I'm looking at the charts in the afternoon, I will take a boredom trade for sure.
Yeah.
Now, but that's just me. I get it though. Like, it would also have an effect on my bias on like what I'm looking for, because like I would just assume that they're more right than I am.
Yeah, same.
True. Sitting there trying to get an entry, all of a sudden VWAP Volume 1 house music track starts playing. I was never there for that. I left the streams in February, I think. January maybe. So I never was around for that, but sounds like they just spammed it, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Because I heard someone else say the same thing. Like, good thing you guys don't do, VWAP music or something.
Well, we should come up with an entrance song. Yes, well.
I did. I made a heavy metal song. You mean like an intro?
Yeah, like
I just haven't worked out how it works with StreamYard, but we should. That's right.
No, an entry song. When we're looking for an
entry song,
we have like some like hyped up music, like getting us going, ready to enter.
Yeah.
I'll see if I can code up an indicator like that. Play some music as we are about to enter.
Yeah.
So NQ is all the way down in the previous day.
I mean, listen, if I'm being honest, I'm not looking for another trade. I'm a little annoyed that this stopped me out and then boom, like another 6 points. But I'll take it because it was still profitable. But
I'm definitely also done for the day.
Yeah, I'm done for the day as well. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and try to blow the account.
Yep.
Or double it.
Exactly.
Well, yeah, but if I win the trade, boom, all of a sudden it's like, yeah, the account's back.
We're back, baby. And then double it again, and then boom, payout.
Well, okay, if I win the next 3 trades, then the account's like how much would let me see.
Very close. It's 4 trades to pay out, basically.
If I win the next 3 trades, well, the next trade, I can only make 500 risking because I can only risk 500. So let's say 500 plus 600 plus 600. If I win the next 3 trades, I'll be like 1 trade from payout. So
for the record, you can make more than what you risk.
Exactly.
It's possible.
That would be yes, but that would be not one of my targets. I rarely ever have more than a 1-hour trade when I'm going for the right target. Now, if I try to get greedy and just stretch out a target,
okay, maybe I am looking for another trade.
Hey,
here we go.
Do we just have a thing that
long or short?
That we're not allowed to, that links do not get posted in our chat because I've seen people a couple of times like say like, oh, look at my markup or something.
Yeah.
And I just ignored it because I'm like, oh, they never sent it.
I've seen that
like,
too.
And then I was like, oh, just ignored it because I figured they just didn't send it because I didn't see it. And then Orange Grove just said that link is the track that Austin made. So he must have sent a link. So we must have some setting that just has links don't get shared.
I think so, yeah.
I'll
have a look at it.
Yeah, because I've seen people. It would be nice if people can send in markups too. VWAP bands make her dance.
It's not a link, John, so I'm not sure what the, but I guess we can look that up.
It's pretty funny. I can't lie. But if you're trying to be, serious and trading, like, but it's
good fun. Yeah,
I like their stream.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm long YM.
That's why I'm
interesting.
Oh, it's literally on the VWAP. Yeah.
Oh,
I might risk the account on this one too.
Whew.
Good trade. Good find. I think I'll put my account on it.
Ooh, be careful. The other indices are.
I'm not
breaking.
I ain't scared of shit. You think I care about this account?
No.
Not much.
You ain't never scared.
9 micros. Oh, I just got the worst fill. Whatever. I'm in there too.
Hell yeah.
And if I lose it, I think I lose the account. So this
is
make
actually
it before. Oh, we got 3 minutes till stream's over. I was gonna say this is pretty entertaining.
And I need to leave because I have a meeting at 11. So I think it should pop into your target. Where's your target?
Just a high. Front running the highs a little bit.
870 ish.
75.
Yeah.
Where's your target, Mike?
865.
Wow, I'm gonna go a little
conservative.
Tighter. Just learn,
Well, I can tell you why. I mean, there's a reason why. It's gonna show up.
Now, if this one wins, it's just gonna be like,
and you got to pull ported tomorrow.
The same story over and over again. The accounts 1 trade from being blown. Oh, you win the trade.
So you see this blue bar over here? That means that a lot of buyers tried to buy it at the top, and then they pushed it down from there.
Oh.
It also lines up with like the top of this distribution. So like, if we get up here, do I think we break? Probably, but there's also a strong chance that we reject before we get to the high. So
yeah. So my quick thoughts, and I'm not going to be super bearish, but if you look at how it's been in a range for a while, right? That support of that range is resistance now.
Sure.
If you can see my screen here, right?
Yeah.
But who knows?
But I almost see I have a feeling the other indices will probably recover. You know, since we're so bullish overall.
Yeah, they're bouncing from the lows
there. Some sort of pullback, and they'll probably end the day higher.
Yeah,
I would imagine. So when they recover, YM's just gonna rip.
Yeah, because YM is also the most bullish of all the indices right now. So like,
if they start recovering, YM's just gonna make new highs.
Where's your entry?
My entry's bad. I got a bad price. I was drawing up my risk when my entry's at 96.
Okay.
Mike's probably at like 73, 72.
Right. So you guys.
I'll probably leave this one. If I have to leave the desk, I'll probably just.
Yeah, I'll need to leave now. I have a meeting. So.
Okay.
Ending stream.
You guys know how this works tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow. See you guys. Thanks for joining.
Easy, y'all. Have a good one.
Bye.